Word roots are the words that make lot many important words out of it. By the use of word roots, we can make lot many new words, and it does makes your vocabulary rich. So today is the session 4 of the word root, and we are going to discuss the words that could be made from the word root IDO. IDIO. Hey guys, I am Jyoti Singh and you are watching the Fluent Spoken English program. IDO. IDO has been derived from a Greek word idios. IDIOS, which means own, distinct, personal or peculiar. So anything which belongs to you, which tells you about your peculiarity, about your personal touch, or which is very distinctive to you, is called as idiom. Now let's see the words starting with the word idiom. The first one is ideobiology. Here we have added biology to the word ideo, and it means biology that is peculiar to a person or a particular organism. Anything, biology deals with the biological functioning of any living being, right? So any study of any science that is peculiar to a particular organism is called ideobiology. Ideogamy. Ideogamy, it means something or someone who's capable of self-fertilization, who can fertilize on its own, is called ideogamy. Gamy word is always related to fertilization. Ideoglossary. Here, glossary means to have an index, right? At the end of any book, you might have seen glossary pages, which tells about the index, right? What does this word mean? From where this study has been derived, right? So glossary tells you about the whole thing. Now when glossary gets attached to ideo, it forms a new word called ideoglossary, which means a glossary that is peculiar to a particular subject. Any glossary which is related to a particular subject, in short, is called ideoglossary. Idiolect. 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 It means speaking in an own peculiar way. Like every other person has got their own pronunciation. I might be pronouncing peculiar as peculiar, but some other person might be pronouncing peculiar as peculiar, right? So every other person has got a different pronunciation. So that is called idiolect, speaking in an own peculiar way. Ideograph. Graph is related to the signature, right? To the pattern. Graph means a pattern, right? So it means ideograph means a personal signature. Ideohypnotism. Everybody knows what hypnotism is, right? Now when hypnotism gets connected with ideo, it becomes ideohypnotism, wherein it means hypnosis of oneself, wherein a person can hypnotize himself or herself. He or she becomes that practice becomes ideohypnotism. Idolalia. This means using a self-invented language. Very rarely used, because nowadays nobody invents their own language, right? Until and unless it's some computer and it's some computer language. So ideolalia is a word which is used for someone who has invented his or her own language. Ideolatry. It means worshipping oneself. To worship yourself is called ideolatry. Idiom. Idiom means language that is peculiar to a particular place or a group of people. For example, of a tribe, right? A language which is spoken by a tribe or a selective group of people is called idiom. Now, idiomatic. Any expression that are peculiar to native speakers of that language is called idiomatic. Idiomatic expressions. For example, there is a language which is being spoken by by a group of people. So the language that they are using, the expression that they are using is called idiomatic. Idiomisma. It means a self-produced repugnant odor. An odor which is produced by yourself is called idiomisma. Idiopathy. Idiopathy is a disease that appears spontaneously and develops on its own. It develops in your body on its own. Okay, you don't even know. Doctors are not even able to diagnose that. Is called idiopathy. Ideo-repulsive. Repulsive means repulsion. So resenting oneself is known as ideo-repulsive. Idioxanthic. Idioxanthic means something which is peculiar to yellow races. Idiothelic. Idiothelic means peculiar to the female sex. Idiorenic. Idiorenic means something which is very peculiar to the male sex. In idiothelic, it means peculiar to the female sex. Idiorenic means peculiar to the male sex. Idiospasm. A spasm that appears in a particular part of the body is called idiospasm. Okay. Idiosyncrasy. It means something which is peculiar trait to someone. Idiot, very commonly used word. Someone who is distinct being low intelligent. Someone with low intelligence is called an idiot. Idiovariation, a mutation peculiar to particular person is called idiovariation. So these were the 20 words that could be made by the help of the word ideo. Next session we would be learning the word root loc, LOQ or LOC. So stay tuned. Thank you.